So you found that potential wholesale deal, but without a cash buyer. You're stuck. Well, today I'm going to show you the exact 3 steps it takes to build a real cash buyers list, even if you're brand new. Y'all ready? Let's go, man. Okay, y'all, let's get right into it. Let's not waste any time. Step 1, I tap into the local investor groups. I start by joining local investor groups like Facebook, meetups, and local REI associations. I would actively post introducing myself and offering to bringing deals to the group for review. The key is, in this situation, the key is consistency and value. If you're not willing to bring those 2 components within the group, then you're not going to get the buyers that you're looking for. Individuals are not going to take you seriously. You cannot go ahead and post on Monday and expect to have 10 cash buyers by Friday. It doesn't work like that. You have to post Sunday through Sunday to get the buyers list that you are trying to accomplish. Step 2, utilizing public records and cash data sales. Believe it or not, ladies and gentlemen, this right here is a cash gem right here. A lot of people don't really pay attention to this. I'd pull public records or use tools to see who recently bought properties with cash. These buyers are serious. I reach out with a quick intro, letting them know I'm bringing wholesale deals. Are you interested in reviewing my actual list? You would be surprised on who is actually actively looking but just doesn't know how to find wholesalers. Believe it or not, a lot of cash buyers don't reach out to the wholesalers. The wholesalers reach out to the cash buyers. So you just have to be in the right place at the right time, using the right tools to find the right individuals. Step 3, craft a simple buyer's outreach script. When I have deals or I'm building my buyers list, I use a simple script. I do not reinvent the wheel. I might say something like, hey, I come across off-market deals in your area. If I find something that fits your criteria, would you like me to send it over? 9 times out of 10, if they are actively buying or actively looking for deals, they will say yes. And they will forward over their information so you can forward over deals. And here's another part that might be interesting to you. They may not want the deal at all. However, they may have an associate who may be looking, who may be interested, who might be looking in that area, or this may fit their criteria. And they would forward that deal over to their associate. Now, they may want a little taste out that deal, but who cares? You're still closing the deal, and now you got 2 cash buyers off of 1 deal. Well, there you have it. The 3 steps into building a cash buyers list. Let me know if this has helped. And if it has helped, hit that subscribe button, because I'm dropping wholesale strategies every single week. And in the comment section below, let me know what's been the hardest part of wholesaling for you. Until next time, ladies and gentlemen, I'm Vernon F. Miller, and this is Secure Deals Academy.